to bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
This storage unit's nearly finished. A few more panels, and then we can put the roof on.
That sounds like a job for the great grabber.
It'll be done in no time, Boza.
Thank you, Maxine. At last, we'll have somewhere we can put the oil drums.
Introducing Diggs, the amazing lifting digger!
And Carrie, the even more amazing forklift!
Diggs lifts his oil drum up and down with ease.
Carrie performs a lift with double reverse. The truck park goes wild. Yay! Whoops. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Ta-da! That's the final panel.
Now that's what I call a job well done.
Oh, not quite, Maxine. We still have to put the oil drums inside. I'll go and check where they are.
What are we going to do?
We? I seem to remember it was only one of us that knocked them in.
Well, whoever it was, somehow we've got to get them out.
But how? They're down there and we're up here.
Wait a minute. I know just the thing.
Well, hang on. Wait for us.
Coming. Oh.
Bum, 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 bum. Oh, that's odd. I could have sworn those oil drums were over there. Oh, well.
You know, Maxine, maybe my headlights are playing tricks on me, but I just can't seem to find the oil drums. I don't suppose you've seen them?
You mean that big pile that was down by the water?
Yes.
Well, no. Not since yesterday.
Emergency! Emergency! It's a hooky emergency!
What's the matter, Carl?
It's my hooky. I put it down to use my grabber, and now it's gone. Oh!
That's very strange. First, I can't find the oil drums, and now you can't find your hook.
Well, if we all look for them together, we'll find them much quicker. Come on.
Mine behind. Mine behind.
Hooky! Dear little hooky, where are you? Hooky!
We'll be looking all over the place. Looking in every corner, every space. 'Cause if we're gonna find that hook, then we have to know which place to look. We'll be searching all around, covering every inch of ground, lifting that and shifting this. There's nowhere that we're gonna miss. Oh, has anybody seen them drums? Can we find a single drum? Not one. They must have grown legs and run. Has anybody seen them drums? Oh, has anybody seen that hook? Maybe we should take a closer look. They must have grown legs and run. Has anybody seen them drums? They must have grown legs and run. Has anybody seen them? Anybody seen them? Anybody seen them? Drums!
Well, we've looked everywhere.
Not quite. When you think you've looked everywhere and you still can't find what you're looking for, there's still somewhere else to look.
Emergency!
Oh, mine behind.
Emergency!
Mine behind.
Emergency! Oh, where? Oh, where? Can my little hooky be? Wherever you are, hooky, please come back to me. Oh.
Oh, this is never going to work.
Diggs, We won't know unless we try. Now don't just stand there idling. Lower it in.
All right, come on then, Mr. Hooky. And down we go. Oh.
Diggs, you know that might have worked a whole lot better if you'd attached one end to your scoop.
Oh, what are we going to do?
We?
Oh, all right, we've both dropped something into the water. The oil drums and Carl's hook.
Well, there's only one thing for it.
What?
You're going to have to tell Bosa.
Oh, I had a feeling you were going to say that.
I just don't understand it. In the whole of my mileage, I have never lost anything before.
Don't worry, Boza. I'm sure they'll turn up.
Und my hooky?
And your hooky, Carl.
But where can they be?
What's the matter, Boza?
Well, the oil drums have gone missing.
But they haven't, Bosa.
I'm afraid they have, Scooch. We've looked everywhere.
But Boza, it was me. I knocked them all into the water.
Into the water?
Yes. Boza, I'm really sorry.
I don't suppose you've seen my hooky, have you? Anywhere?
Carl, funny you should say that.
Don't tell me. That's in the water too?
Yes.
Just like I said, there's always somewhere else to look.
Carl, can you get the oil drums out of the water with your grabber?
I certainly can.
Thank you, Carl.
The great Grabo rips again.
So, what happens the next time you make a mistake?
We tell Boza straight away.
Before we lose Carl's hook as well.
Don't worry. The great Grabo and Mr. Hooky are reunited at last.
So, no harm done then. Right, I'll leave you three to put those barrels away. Mine behind, mine behind. Whoop. Oops.
There's gonna be a lot of owning up today.
Come on, Sam. Into the water you go.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.